For clip-in metal sunglasses, removing lenses is relatively easy. The metal frames are designed so that even if you bend them to remove the lenses, the frames won't warp or bend out of shape. To start, have your glasses facing towards you and place your thumb in the nose bridge section. The best way to remove these lenses is to place your thumb in the center and pull down on the inside edge of the first lens to pop it out. You can be firm with your grip, as the lenses are made of very strong materials. To install your new lens, line up the outside edge with the frame and insert it from the outside in. Make sure it's in the grooves properly and then push the other side of the lens into place. Do this by pushing up on the lens and down on the frame. Once it's in place, pull down on the lens to ensure it's secure in its place. Finally, give your new lenses a clean with your new cleaning cloth. Thanks to the Sunglass Fix, enjoy seeing clearly again.